everyone, this is FT. We are in Athens International Airport and we're flying from here to Singapore. And then from Singapore we're gonna go to Australia. Wow, it's gonna be a long way. Selfie, selfie.
Selfie, yeah.
Selfie.
Nah, selfie. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye, have a good trip.
You too, have a good
Bye-bye.
trip. Yeah. Bye.
We have about an hour. Mame. Boarding time. Here we are. We are on the first seat. This is Scoot Biz, the most advanced place you can travel with Scoot. The flight's around 11 hours and we're going to sleep. We didn't sleep last night, so we're gonna go on an anti-jet lag program. I'm gonna sleep now. Bye. So here we are, we arrived in Singapore really early in the morning. This is Changi Airport. It's said to be the best airport in the world for the last 6 years. It's a real joy having a transit here in Singapore. There are lots of shops, lots of things to do. There's also a really nice place where you can do some plane spotting if you want. And another thing that you can do if you have a lot of time here is visit Singapore. Singapore is one of our favorite cities in the world. We've been here before and we have filmed 2 great episodes of our TV show Happy Traveler that is broadcasted in Greece and Cyprus. I'm gonna put the links of that Happy Traveler episodes below. And here we are again, back to the airport. Scoot flies to 4 destinations in Australia, that's Sydney, Melbourne, Gold Coast and Perth. We're gonna visit all these 4 cities, but first we're going to Perth. And now it's time to board in our second flight, the one that will take us from Singapore to Australia. We're going to Perth in Western Australia. Ready to go. Our flight crew. Lunchtime. Chicken with rice for me and beef with penne for Electra. Buon appetito, καλή όρεξη. The window has a digital shade. It's not physical. You press a button, it's getting dark. You see the difference? We are almost there. We saw an amazing sunset. You saw it as well. We're going down now. Landing in Perth. Bye-bye. Bye. We arrived in Perth. Our full journey was around 36 hours because we departed from Thessaloniki, then we went to Athens, then from Athens we went to Singapore, from Singapore to Perth, and here we are. Now we're gonna get the bus and go to the city center. We got a SIM card for data to go into the internet, mobile, and also we got some money changed. Now we're gonna find the bus to go to the city center. After around 30 minutes, we arrived in the city center of Perth and we went to our hotel. And it's actually a hostel. This is Australia and this is where we are right now. Let's go to our room. You can either stay in dorms here or you can stay in private rooms like the one we got. And there are also rooms with private bathrooms. That's good to have. So that's it for now. Good night. Here in Perth we did an amazing Happy Traveler episode. I'm gonna upload an English version soon here on this channel, but till then you can watch the Greek version on my Greek channel. I'm gonna put the link below as well. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button and leave a comment below if you've been to Australia or if you are from Perth or you like to visit or anything. Write something below. Also, don't forget to press that subscribe button. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.